Kitten, and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. Today we will be making some chilled strawberry soup. They serve this in a lot of fancy restaurants, but I'll teach you how to make it at home. So come along for the journey. That's a lot better. Now to get the ingredients. To make this amazing chilled strawberry soup, we will need 2 cups of vanilla yogurt. Ta-da! We will need a half cup of orange juice. Ta-da! 2 pounds of fresh strawberries that are halved. Oh, okay. So I got them. And a half cup of sugar. Here it is. And these are all 4 my ingredients that we need. You will also need a blender with the parent's permission and supervision. I am borrowing my mom's Vitamix. I will give it back though. And now what we do is combine all of our ingredients, including the orange juice, into the blender. So let's do that. Now we are going to add all of our ingredients to the blender. Let's do that. First we'll add the strawberries. Okay. Next, to add the yogurt. Wait, where's my spatula? My scoop of spatula. May I have it? Oh my gosh! That was pretty funny. Now we can add the yogurt. Okay, so this is gonna be a little tough. Okay, we did that. Now to add the half cup of orange juice. And now the yummy sugar, but don't eat any plain. I promise it will turn out even better than sugar in the end. Okay, now to mix it, but don't forget to put on the lid. If you don't put on the lid, then your whole kitchen will be a mess and your parents will not be that happy. So always don't forget to put it on the lid. And now we can start the real fun. Now we are going to blend it all up, but don't be scared, it will be a little loud. And headphone users, skip this part. It's gonna be really loud, I promise. Just listen and you'll be fine. Oh my gosh! Oh, that looks so cool! Well, that was incredibly violent. Now that it's all mixed, we're gonna put this right back into the strawberry container and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before we can try it. Okay, let's do this. Whoa. Maybe I should take off the lid. And now this is a lot of strawberry soup. There we go. Now we have to put it in the fridge. Once I put on the lid. That goes in back. There we go. Now to put it in the fridge. It has been 3 hours since I have put my strawberry soup into the fridge. I have used a ladle to help get my strawberry soup out of the bowl of here and put it into the bowl for the taste test later on. I have decided to garnish mine with a strawberry and some homegrown mint from our garden. If you do not grow stuff at home, you can always go to your local grocery store and pick up some mint for like $2 to $3. But time for the taste test. Delicious! It is amazing! And who knew that just a few ingredients can make such a good meal? You can make this too. Follow for more mouth-watering recipes on SunSweetCooking. Kitten signing off.